Well, good morning, friends. This morning I'm going to do a small little project on top of another project. I'm going to attempt to take those molle panels that I had on the back of the truck and cut them down so they'll fit now that I put the deck boxes in. Let me show you what I mean. So normally they set in there something like that, but now with the box there, they're not going to be able to do that. So I need to cut them off right below those mounting holes there and shorten them so I can still at least use the top part. So it pretty much works out that I'm going to cut right along this line right here and lose all of this down below here, but I'll still have this molle where I can put some stuff up inside the trailer, and I'll have to figure out how to remount my rotopack somewhere. Stay tuned. So there they are, all trimmed. That's about all I get to work with above that deck box there, and that's the bottom half, which nice little panels. Don't know what I'll use them for. I'll figure something out. So yeah, I need to clean these up a little bit and paint them, and then we'll get them mounted. And so there's the finished product, sitting right above the deck box. Not much, but I can put some molle pouches on there, put some needed items or places to store stuff while we're sleeping back here, whenever we sleep back here. So, and of course my hatchet's up there. I'll probably have a small shovel attached to this side somehow, so they're always with us. Yep, that's it. Just a little quick one. Any questions, leave in the comments. And as always, if you like our content or you want to see what's happening with us down the road, make sure and click that like button, share the video, and ring that bell so you'll get notifications of all our new videos.